Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix computer keeps freezing increase PC performance. First step is type edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. Click change advanced power settings. Change to high performance, click apply, click OK. Second step is right-click Start button, click Run. Type Temp, click OK. Delete all files and folders. Third step, right-click Start button, click Run, type %temp%, click OK. Delete all files and folders. Fourth step, right-click Start button, click Run, type Prefetch, click OK. Delete all files and folders. Fifth step is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open SysMain service, change startup type to disabled, stop the service, click apply, click OK. Sixth step is open File Explorer. C Drive, Windows, Software Distribution folder. Delete all files and folders. Seventh step is type disk cleanup in Windows search bar, click disk cleanup. Clean up system files. Check all items under Files to delete. Click Delete Files. Eighth step is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Startup tab, disable all unwanted startup apps. Ninth step is open any browser, type Malwarebytes in Windows search bar, click Malwarebytes. Click free download. Click install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.